All right, so a new feature has now been added to the support team of NairaProp. If you look at the bottom right here, you are going to see new. Now there is now the Hacks PADI instant fix. There is the support, whereby you can talk to human and the fact any question you want to ask. So there are other support options through the email or through call, but the fastest means are the Ask PADI and the support ticket, whereby you are going to interact with human. So the new one that has been introduced now is the Ask PADI. So let's explore what we have as Ask PADI. So you might be are going to be having something like this on your interface, whereby you can tell the Ask PADI to help you with anything that you like. You can tell the Ask PADI to help you run a check on your account. You can tell Ask PADI to explain to you, and you can fix a lot of things on your account. So instead of you going through the support, you can use the Ask PADI to self help yourself. So and if you are confused about a question or the other, you can ask the Ask PADI. So it's like a normal AI integrated into NairaProp, and whatever you have left is going to be written up, and whatever you have left is going to be per day. It's going to be per day. So I have 14 left. So I can just decide to let's do something like how many accounts do I have now? So you can how many accounts. So Paddy is thinking. So he said you have one account, same as before. So it's telling me that this is my trading competition account. This is in two, currently 192 minus 3 points, full stop, full 40K. So no funded accounts, yes, since you are still in the competition phase. So you can actually use it to do anything. Let's ask for account. You can say maybe account sizes. So it's going to give you a full breakdown of the account sizes that are available on the website. So these are the account sizes that we have. So it's going to give either it's a one face account or another. So you are asking about the account size over here's a full list of pro two face. So anything you want it to do, let's say you have an issue with your account or you were breached and you don't understand, so just ask per DM, or maybe you are not seeing an account on your dashboard, just upload your issue. It's going to run a check on your account and it's going to correct it for you. So you can say I have 12 left because I just used two presently. So you can basically you can it's not only for you to let's okay, let's do something like explain profit cap. And to explain profit cap, there are a lot of things you can do. You can tell it to explain. So it's going to give you a full breakdown of the profit cap, and you can say explain scaling. And also there's 48 hours cooling down between. So there are a lot of things you see. The 10%, 50%, 100% number are ceilings, not targets. So it's going to give you a full breakdown. So if you think you are curious about something, but I have 11 left. So there are a lot of things you can do. Or let's do something like competition. Let's do something like competition stand. Let's do maybe like competition stand, or the people in the competition. Let's see. Okay, this it actually brought out my own personal this thing. So number what am I? So I'm 653. Okay, so you are still early in the competition. So there are a lot of things you can actually use it to do, and it's going to be giving you instant answer, just like the ChatGPT, just like any other AI that we have out there. So use this PADI to your advantage. So it works 24/7, reply in seconds, and all that.